Furnace replacement in Plainfield, Illinois is essential this winter. Old furnaces waste energy and fail unexpectedly. Many homeowners face uneven heating and shockingly high bills during winter. This makes comfort and unaffordable heating costs a real concern for families. Eagle Air, your trusted expert in Plainfield, offers straightforward evaluations and honest advice for all your furnace needs. We help you make smart, proactive furnace replacement decisions. Our guidance is clear and focused on your comfort. Choose a high-efficiency Goodman gas furnace built for chilly Plainfield winters. Expect reliable warmth and even heat distribution. With a Goodman furnace, you'll enjoy lower energy costs and reliable performance all winter long. Eagle Air specializes in replacing furnaces in Plainfield homes like yours. We make comfort and peace of mind our mission. This is not just a replacement, it's lasting comfort and real peace of mind for your entire family. Heading into winter, feel confident and worry-free with your new Goodman furnace from Eagle Air. Call Eagle Air at 815-609-4450 to enjoy dependable warmth and peace of mind all winter long.